Good morning friends, welcome everyone to Pro Trader series from Traders Gurukul. I am Ashok Devanampriya, the CEO of Traders Gurukul and also the co-founder of an organization called StatusOn, one of the leading algo trading companies which is pioneered in the concept of building strategies for retail traders. Kautilya Group has focused in multiple verticals inclusive of education, algo trading, wealth management, real estate and also forex and crypto strategies. It's almost 3 years since we started this organization. Right now we are also planning to set up a company in Dubai with primary focus on building algorithms for cryptos and forex for the international markets. Just to give you a perspective of what we have been doing in the last 1 year, we have done about 10% profit this financial year starting April 2022. When Nifty made about 5 to 6% negative, we are ahead by almost 10%. That's officially 16% alpha. Additionally, we are currently managing about 8 crore rupees of trading fund, which is little more than $1 million, with a target to achieve about 25 crores by the end of this financial year 2022-2023. I would also like to mention one important aspect. We are working on an important product, alright, it's called as Phoenix, which has the potential to give the point of momentum of various stocks well in advance. I will conduct an exclusive video for this particular concept very soon. The idea of this video is to give you a very important information about the Pro Trading series. We are coming out with learning videos every week for your benefit. The last 1 year we could not spend much time on creation of knowledge content, but now we are extensively focusing on giving you knowledge specifically in areas of price action, algo trading, Gann, options and quants. Alright, so today let's start with one simple and important topic. The topic for today is the bull bear theory. That is my slogan. We are quant traders, we are mechanical traders, we are systematic traders, we are professional algo traders. That's why we always believe in God. For everything else we ask for data. So why do market makes big move? Why markets make big move? Who try to move the market? There are only two major participants in market. One is the institutions, other is the retailers. The retailers as a whole cannot have the capacity to move the markets. The only people who are capable and strong enough to drive the market is institutions. They can be small institutions, they can be big institutions also. Let's get into the details. Institutions have the power and strength to move the markets. When I said that, it's not that all institutions will have the capacity to move markets. Some institutions are small, some institutions are big, some institutions are super big. Many times an institution fights with another institution. There are times a particular institution can move the markets. There are times another institution will be trying to move the market down. The size of the institutions defines the ability and the capacity to move markets. Remember the facts. As retail traders, we can never move the markets. All we can do is to trace the path of institutions and move in their direction depending upon the momentum, whether going up, going down. And remember this very important point, institutions never ever follow charts. You and me, we follow charts. Institutions don't do. Why? Because institutions create the charts. The biggest of the biggest institutions, they create the charts which we follow. And how do you trade? What kind of trader are you? You can either be of three types. One, you can be a breakout trader. Two, you can be a price action trader who trade on retracement. Or you are a support and resistance trader who waits for reversal to happen. Correct? Or you might be an options trader who try to eat some theta, who is focusing on delta, gamma and various option groups that comes into the picture. Now, when you make a trade, you will have an entry, you will have a target, you will have a stop loss. Correct? Or you take an entry, you will not have a target, you will have a fixed stop loss, and when you trail the stop loss and you look forward for a possible trend. These are the two typical ways in which traders trade. Institution will not enter a particular script at a particular level. Why do you guys think that limit orders work? Limit orders work because there are orders which are already kept in the system for execution. Today the world is full of algorithms. Being a retail algo trading fund, for example, in my case, the strategy and execution both are automated. Today most of the institutions' execution is completely automated. Strategy, it varies from institution to institution. And you as a retail trader, when I say you, it's you and me both, you will not try to enter a particular script at multiple levels because you don't have the capacity, you don't have the fund to drive in that direction. An institution will enter at multiple levels and it will exit at multiple levels. They will not have a single point of entry or a single point of exit.
Are you tired of stock market losses? Tired of hundreds of boring indicators and the frequent drawdowns? Do you want to understand how to trade markets without indicators? How institutions cheating the retail traders and how to make fair and consistent trading methods? The answer is I3T3 Mega Webinar, India's most comprehensive and 100% money back guarantee training program for stock market investing and trading. And what do you learn from this webinar? Techno fundamental investing, WD Gann techniques, precision price action trading, the option trading strategies, Algo Trading, and also trading psychologies. So it is a package of 200 world-class investing and trading books jam-packed into the 12 days of webinar. And what you can expect from IT3T, genuine training program with examples and assignments, no indicators, real-life examples, proven and reliable methods. And what you shouldn't be expecting is holy grail formulas, zero loss strategies, 90% win rate stories, get quick rich Ponzi schemes. And we also have students across the globe. The three things IT3T always promises is 100% money back guarantee program, 100% brokerage credit, 100% lifetime learning. But that's not it. We have an early bird offer for you at just 35,000 rupees for first 25 students. So how do you enroll the IT3T program? Simple. Just log on to www.i3t3.in or contact our webinar manager.
They can also change the course of the script movement based on liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is something which is created when a buyer and seller comes into play. When there is not enough liquidity, what do institutions do? They want liquidity. They create traps for retailers like you and me to come and play. What are the traps? What are the kind of traps? What are the various steps involved in a trap that an institution apply on a retail trader? We will come to know in the subsequent sessions as a part of Pro Traders series. And finally, institutions always put limit orders. I repeat, they always put limit orders and grab various assets at different levels. Remember the fact, who moves the market? Limit order or market order? Think. Market order moves the market, not limit order. Why? Suppose Ashok Leyland price is 150. You put an order to buy it at 100 rupees. It will not get executed. Why? Because market is at 150 and you have put a buy at 100. 100 is limit order, 150 is market order. You put an order to buy the stock at any price, it will execute immediately. You might get it at 149, you might get it at 151. So limit orders never move markets. Okay, but they have the ability to control the movement of the markets. In the subsequent series, as a part of the Pro Trader series, we are going to discuss about some of the important aspects of price action. If you ask me what kind of a trader am I am a positional price action trader. I am an intraday algo trader. I am a techno fundamental investor and also a Gann practitioner. I have been trading from the last 20-23 quarters. I made money in about 19-20 quarters. Couple of quarters I made losses and one quarter was roughly dry. I have been doing fairly well. Last year our models did close to about 52% profit. This year the first quarter was little dry, but this quarter has been phenomenal. We are already up close to about 8% so far. More details in the subsequent videos. Until then, good luck.